What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and here we are. Not gonna go and test a new motorcycle, and it's not a travel vlog. It is something very interesting. And are you guys ready for the surprise? The surprise is that I have picked a brand new motorcycle, guys. By now you guys will be quite excited, and I'm gonna show you that in a moment. But before that, dream for me. It's a quite a long pending dream for me, and I've finally achieved it. Are you all excited to know which is that bike? For that, stay tuned in 3, 2, 1, here we go. And the wait finally comes to an end. This is it, guys, the brand new KTM 390 Adventure X. And the wait finally comes to an end. This is it, guys, the brand new KTM 390 Adventure X. And this is a brand new motorcycle that I've recently purchased for all the adventures that's gonna come soon. And just look at this beauty, man. It looks so fantabulous and beautiful the way it is built. Oh wow. How was the surprise, guys? I hope you guys love this, and this is gonna be my go-to adventure bike for all purpose, for commuting, for going on long tours, and for traveling anywhere. And I'm so happy that I made a right decision, and I'll tell you why did I pick the Adventure X compared to the Himalayan and other bikes in the market. And for that, let's take the bike on a spin. So chalo, let's go. Oh wow, the moment you sit, it feels like you're on one floor up, and that's a crazy feeling. Let's crank this engine up. Oh, that sound is so smooth, and that's a rolled adventure. And let's go. After so many years, I feel so blessed to own this bike. It was once a dream, now it's a reality. And that feeling, that journey to purchase from the time you dreamed to owning this particular machine, for me has been quite an inspiring journey for me. I mean, obviously it involves a lot of sacrifices and commitments where you sometimes have to slow down. But this time, everything was favoring in my direction. So finally, this beast is mine. It is mine. Oh wow. The way I'm sounding, you guys will definitely correlate with my excitement levels. Okay, finally we are on the streets of Bangalore with the brand new KTM 390 Adventure X. Definitely love to talk about why did I buy the KTM 390X and not the other bikes in the market. Start with the main point, that's the engine. This bike comes with the 375cc engine, which is very powerful, and it feels like a ballistic missile, guys. So KTMs are known for the power, and that power has kinda surprised me 10 years back, and from there I'm just in love with the power these bikes deliver. And that's where the KTM came into the picture, and the love for KTMs have grown up over the years. Why not Duke, and why KTM 390 Adventure X? The purpose, my primary purpose of this bike is to travel long distance, cover long distance with ease. The engine is so powerful, it feels relaxed when you're cruising around 120, 130, and that was one of my main purpose since I travel. Most important thing is that this particular engine is so peppy, guys, so peppy that All you need to do is just open the throttle and it just flies. That gives the bright smile on my face. And that's where the KTM actually surprises me compared to the other bikes in the market. So engine is the main addiction for me to get the adventure. Now I'm an adventure junkie. You all know that I tour long distances. For that, this bike serves me the purpose of mounting heavier luggage and travel long distances. So picking this bike was moreover like a purpose driven, and it was a desire of mine from quite a long period of time. Aspect that I really love about this bike is the height. Oh my god, this feels like a horse. Especially when you sit on this bike, you feel so commanding on the motorcycle that it feels so nimble to maneuver around. Like you can just flick around left and right with ease at high speeds. And since I have not crossed the first service, so I'm not gonna rev this motor for long. So I'm gonna keep it as calm as possible. Pick the Adventure X, not the standard one. The reason why is the price, because I could see somewhere around like 80 to 90,000 difference between the standard and the X. So this bike misses on a couple of things. That's the quick shifter, traction control, cornering ABS, and the TFT display. Apart from that, the bike remains the same. There's no such thing, there's no difference at all in terms of the aesthetics as well as the parts. I think one more thing I missed out is that this one gets the MRF tires and the standard gets the Metzeler's. This is very smooth. It is as smooth as you can feel. Now let's talk about my main purpose, that is touring. Now you guys can see we're almost in the 6th gear and it just cruises beautifully at 80, and it goes all the way to 120, 130, 140, whatnot. And there's so much of ease in riding this bike. It doesn't feel difficult at all, and that's the actual comfort levels that you need to have when you're riding one. Now you'll know the reason why I really love this bike. I'm on the first gear, switch to the second gear. Now you see how it pulls. It just goes, just flies. Whoa, that was amazing. As you guys can notice that we can comfortably cruise at 100 kilometers per hour below 6,000 rpm. So ease, guys, so ease. No stress on the engine. It feels like it can pull you all the way forward with ease. Now you know why the Adventure 390 is here. Oh man, look at this road. Oh, it just moves. The road is all for us. Thank you guys for showing so much of love and affection for my channel, and you guys have done a great job in supporting my channel, and please continue to do so. Until then, make sure that you like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and make sure that you share it across to various audience. I hope you guys enjoyed this small and sweet vlog. Until next time, take care, stay safe and keep riding.